Add the 2. That works as well. All right. Let's see, hydrocarbon. All right, here we go. So this is the hydrocarbon lab we're going to do the modeling because of our current situation with the, continuation of 2020. We're doing things a little bit different. So we're going to do this online. What you're going to do is this. You're going to be asked to write the chemical formula. Remember, that's like CH4. The structural formula and the 3D model, this is what's going to be done from the computer. You're just going to cut and paste, or take a screenshot, I should say, and paste these in the actual parts. All of these can be found by using the chart on your presentation, which is
naming formula basics.
Yes, naming formula basics, but I don't see the form there. That's the. Oh, I didn't put it up. That's why. That's going to be this guy right here. I'm going to put it up here. So we're going to use this presentation right here is going to be very beneficial to you, specifically because we're going to remember ANE is a single bond. So slow. ENE is a double bond. YNE is a triple bond. So you got to remember those 3 things, which you should be able to do since you wrote in your notes. But this right here, you'll probably need, like I said, you're going to need this for sure, this prefix chart for answering these following. I didn't have you copy it down because you should be able to get it here. And we're just going to use it for this one lab. Yep, it's in the slide notes. Okay, now, focus back up here. We'll deal with the stuff later, okay? Now we got to do this. When we take a look at here, all of these you should be able to do. Butane, isobutane are found in your notes. Benzene as well as methanol are also found in your notes. So if you don't know what they are, go back into your substituted hydrocarbons. I believe it's the notes of other organic compounds. Check that out. That will help you with that, or in simple organics. So those 2 sets of notes will help you with those. Now, cyclopentane is pentane. So you got to figure out what pentane is. And then cyclo is a term used to describe the shape of this pentane molecule. A cyclone, if you're looking at it from the top down, is what shape? Yeah, it's a circle. So cyclopentane would be what? Pentane, that's in the shape of a circle. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to be using this right here. You're going to click on this link. I will run this through. Right now I'm recording, so for people that are homebound. Close this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go up here in the top left. This is the trash. You're going to delete that. Now what happens is we're going to go through what each of these are. So yes, you can do each click and then click. And I can put different elements up if I wanted to. And we'll use that when it comes to substituted hydrocarbons. This right here is dealing with a single bond. So I can go like that and connect the 2. All right. Make a single bond that way. Or if I just want to make a carbon or 2 carbons and a single bond between these 2, then I just click it like so. Same thing. This next one is a double bond. All right. So that's a double bond. And then triple bond is like so. I can then, if I want to add something else to it, so I have a triple bond. So I want to have a double bond off this triple bond. I click on the double bond. I click on the atom and the next atom I want, and then I can also move it. If I hold down the button, I can then move it wherever I want. Okay. So let's do this. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do a compound like so. I'm going to go like this. All right, so I'm going to do this. Now, so once you get your carbon base, from your prefixes and suffixes. Now, instead of adding all these hydrogen, what you can do, a shortcut would be is you go up to this button right here, you click it, and then you click it one more time, and it adds all of your hydrogen. Okay? Then what you're going to do is this. You're going to take a screenshot of your molecule here. So I take a screenshot here. When I do that, usually what happens is, and it would have, on your Chromebook, on the bottom down here, it'll say copy to clipboard. Click that. All right, click, and you only have like 2 seconds to do it. Go down there, click on it as it pops up, and then what you can do is you go back to your lab, and then you go in, and then you can just go to click on the spot that you want, and you can just copy and paste it in there, right? And it should copy and paste your picture, but because my thing didn't pop up because I'm recording on the screen here, it didn't do that. So quick review here. You're going to make it, copy, click it, create the H's, and then make a screenshot of just this. Okay, and then once that's done, so that's your structural formula. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click over here where it says 2D, 3D. Click that once, and then now it creates a 3D molecule of what you created here, of your structural formula. I can click on it, and now I can then rotate it however I want to see. Now, what I'm going to do is I need to rotate it so that I can see all of the atoms place it. So I don't want to rotate it so it's like this, because I can't see all the atoms. Right? I want to rotate it so it's like so all of the atoms are seen. I then take a screenshot of this. I don't know if that'll work. And then I go back to my lab. I go to my model, to where I'm supposed to put it, and then I paste it in, and then the model gets put in here. Okay, just like that. Super easy. And then I do that with all the rest of them. Are there any questions? Now, I'm going to put, that's going to be found in Google Classroom in about 2 minutes. So, that's how it's done. And now I'm going to stop recording. Maybe. Stop. All right.